Hello and namaste. My name is Hariharan Iyer, the entertainer, and I'm a motivational speaker, corporate trainer, professionally, internationally certified trainer, author, and Reiki Grandmaster. And I hope that you're enjoying my series of short videos which I'm sharing with you from time to time. Today, I want to talk to you about a very interesting subject, which is the types of bosses, and I want to focus upon the 4 types of bad bosses. So, I've given it a little formula called as TISA, TISA, and I've classified these bosses into bad bosses into 4 types. And why are we talking about this today is because two of the most important relationships in our life are your spouse and your boss. And they both have a very big impact on your emotional well-being in life. They have a very big role to play in your sense of happiness. So you always pray that you have a great spouse and that also that you get a great boss. And while these two things may not be in your control, but if you are a spouse, you can definitely be a great spouse. And if you are a boss, you can definitely be a great boss. So I want to share with you today the 4 types of bad bosses because just in case you happen to be one of them, then there is an opportunity for you to improve yourself. And if you are not one of them, but you are kind of victimized by any one of them or more than one of them, then at least you are more aware of the typical traits and you find ways to work around them. So the TISA. So the first is T. The first kind of a bad boss is what I call as a threatening boss. This is a boss who will threaten you from time to time. And he will say that if you don't do this, you don't achieve this target, you don't complete this task, then I'll get you sacked. Now that's a threatening boss. And I don't think anybody really has a right to threaten anybody. Yes, there are hierarchies in organizations. That does not make the boss the god in any way. He's just another employee or another person in that organization. So it's important that you don't threaten somebody because that's also a violation of somebody's sensitivity and it is a violation of somebody's basic respect that you and me deserve in our life. So that brings us to the second type of bad boss, which is insensitive boss. An insensitive boss is typically a boss who is not sensitive towards maybe some of the personal challenges which are affecting your professional performance. So, and one thing common amongst all these bad bosses is that they are very task oriented, which is actually good, but they just don't know where to draw the line. So an insensitive boss is somebody who might not grant you leave when you really need it, or will say something which is very insensitive when you're going through a personal challenge, maybe a medical issue, maybe a relationship problem, maybe some issue at home. So good bosses are those who are really sensitive by nature. They take the team and the task together, and they take the team together. They are a blend of the team and the task. The next kind of a bad boss is S, which is a shouting boss. Now, in my experience, I have seen certain managers, they lose their cool temperamentally because they're just temperamental by nature and they're extremely unpredictable. In the morning, they may be in a good mood, in the evening, they have lost it and they are shouting, they just can't handle pressure. Maybe something went wrong in their personal life, in their house, and there they are shouting at you, creating a noise in that office and making their decibel levels really heard everywhere. That just does not create a good ambience to work at all. Yes, sometimes you may have to shout at somebody, but that has to be always done in private and that cannot be heard by anybody else, and that's really an extreme situation. And even if you shout, if you're a good boss, the person receiving the shouting is actually going to get inspired because of the emotional connect that you share with that person or he shares with you. And the last is A, abusive boss. Now, if I were to choose between which is the better of the worst in these 4 categories, I don't know which one is better, but I think this is definitely the worst because you just cannot abuse people. You cannot use expletives, you cannot use bad words, you cannot insult people. And I've seen this very often, maybe in sales organizations or in sales departments where there is a boss under pressure, there is a March closing, there is a quarter closing, there is an year-end closing or whatever it may be, it could be a month-end closing. Or generally, salespeople are under a lot of pressure. But I think you just don't have the right to abuse anyone. You cannot get personal, you cannot use bad words. So I think there is a great lesson for all of us in society today, that we need leaders who create good cultures. We need bosses who create good cultures, who make people feel good about what they are and not make them feel pathetic about what they are. So, to recap the four types of bad bosses: threatening boss, the insensitive boss, the shouting boss, and the abusive boss. If you just happen to be one of them, maybe consciously or unconsciously, just don't be, and there is always an opportunity to become a better boss and a better leader. Thank you very much. I hope you got some more value out of this little learning video. I'll come back to you very soon with one more topic and a little bit more nuggets. Thank you.